So good morning and welcome to today's session. Today we are going to speak about HARP and how we're going to integrate HARP with Business Central to create credit notes and refunds for our already posted invoices basically. So we'll head directly to it. Here we are on our main page of HARP, and if we go directly to our cockpit, we can see all of our plans and plan lines related, right? So I'm going to select the customer that I would like to give credit to, which in this case is Trade Research. I click my subscription plan, and keep in mind that to give credit notes to a customer, or to have the possibility to create a credit note, you must of course have at least one posted action down in the actions pane below. Right, this is of course due to the fact that without an invoice, a credit note cannot be issued. There's nothing to credit otherwise. In this case, I have my plan with already my platinum product as a first line here, and I have my subscription action down below, which has been posted and an invoice generated. The from and to date here span across the 17th of October of this year on to the following year of the 16th October of 2023, right? So to start off with the credit note process, what we'll need to do is initially unpublish the plan. Clicking unpublish here, press confirm, and this plan will be converted into a draft status, as you can see up here. I reselected the plan, so I will see what lines I have. I have just one single line. If I click on this one single line, I am giving options to disable or to give a credit note of this line. Right? So, as you can see, the current value of this line is a sales price of 100 per unit multiplied by 2. Which is the quantity that gives us 200 multiplied by 12. This is a yearly subscription plan, as you can see up here, and that gives us a total billing period amount of 2,400 euros. Right, so if we were to click on credit note, we are given the option on which date would the credit note, or should the credit note start. Right, so in this case I'm going to give a full credit note as at 17th of October of this year, and I can select my region code down below. And I'm going to also choose to disable the line. Okay, if I click create, Lisa is going to here create my negative line, as you can see down here. So a new line was created with minus 2,400 euros. So the first one was disabled, it marks it with a cross, and the second line is still of course enabled. It's a one-time because of course we give a credit note only one time. And if we run HARP, we will get new actions to proceed with here. So I republish my plan so I can run HARP and eventually of course post my credit note. So my plan has been published. I can run HARP directly on it. To enable test mode, so I proceed with yesterday's date, 17th. Confirm. HARP has run successfully. If I scroll down to my actions, I should see exactly my credit note line, which in this case has been created today, and it's currently not firmed. If I firm this action, now the action has been firmed. and I can also post my action. So posting subscription action, it's currently posting, and that will lead me to a successfully posted credit note. That's right, that's posted. And if I eventually go to my Business Central environment up here, I can see my subscription posted credit memos. I should find my latest one right here. Let's go on it. You can see there is the amount already of 2,400. That gives us all the details basically. Exactly, here's my credit memo of 2,400. Of course, reversing the initial invoice of the same amount. So that's all for this session. In the next sessions, we will also review partial credit notes and partial reversing. Thank you.